welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm a wreck, but I'm going to go anywhere or do anything. I think I'm about to take some bird food out to the little birdies that sometimes come on my balcony, because we get like one birdie here and there that comes and picks and tries to eat a little. All I really have is a small blend of small birdie food. It's not really for wild birds, but I mean, it's winter time, so I'm sure they'll... Oops, dropping it everywhere. There it goes, all over the counter. There it goes. It goes all over the counter. But yeah, I'm gonna stick the little birdie house back up here. See the little birdie house? Maya made it for them. Here I am, dropping birdseed on the floor. Oh my god, it's frozen. Oh my god. It is frozen and stuck to the bottom. Oh well. I'll sprinkle it everywhere so they know there's some in here. Sissy made it. She's colored it. Well, she didn't make it, but you know what I mean. She colored it. So kids are at school. Chris went to an appointment, and I'm just here basking in silence. I can't believe that thing is stuck. I didn't want to break it, so I didn't pull harder. But I need to brush my hair. About why? You know why? I'm not going anywhere. Mr. Steelworm, his butt. Mr. Butt. What are you doing, Mr. Butt? I should probably shower too, but I don't feel like doing that either. Y'all, it is cold. Y'all probably can't even hear that wind. Hold on. Do y'all hear this wind? Y'all probably only hear my refrigerator. Tell me why. We get a new door, obviously, this year. I've talked about it in previous vlogs, okay? I've been so excited about this new door. Got me some little Dollar Tree Christmas decorations. Guess what? This has to be the December. This has to be the year that we have ridiculous wind. So, all my decorations fly off. And my poor little gnomes and stuff keep going into the bush. I've lost my bow, I don't know how many times. Chris has even taped the bow to the door once. Still flew off. I have a little gnome down the bush right now. But it's really, really cold and I'm not getting it. I'll tell Chris to get it when he's on his way home. So, yeah, aw, the poops are kissing. My handsome little man. You're so cute. So yeah, I know I haven't posted in a few days. I really just ain't feel like, plus I just never know what to post. Hold on. I didn't put the birdseed away. Okay, so is it me, or do y'all like the smell of birdseed too, if you have birds? My face is a mess. Yeah, I wonder if my washer's done. Still going, okay. I don't really know where this vlog is going to take us today. I'm just sitting here watching for birdies, enjoying the silence before the kids get home, start bickering. Oh, look at the poops. Blue's on one footy. Tell y'all, some people really do not deserve to have kids. I don't ever really talk about anyone's, I can't really say parenting, but I don't speak on how people address their children. But let me tell you, I mean, it's winter, and given that it's winter, there should be some common sense on how to dress the said child at 7 a.m. for the bus stop. I mean, there's some common sense that sometimes in the winter, the bus is 20 minutes late, if not more. I'm just saying. But yeah, 2 of the kids at the bus stop, I guess, sat in one of the mom's cars because they were so cold. She gave them blankets and everything because they were not properly dressed for the weather. The one girl, she usually just wears like a thin hoodie, no hat, no gloves. And the boy, same hoodie. He doesn't have a big winter coat. It's ridiculous. But yeah, and the bus was 20 minutes late this morning. They were out there freezing. And of course, their parents stay in the house warm. They don't go out. Well, the girls, well, their moms mostly, do not go out and stand at the bus stop with the rest of us in the cold. They just send them to the bus by themselves. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I'm just chilling. I think I'm gonna make some chicken for dinner. Well, chicken tenders. I think I'm just gonna bake it with the green beans, cut up some potatoes, and make another side for the kids. So they want some mac and cheese or something. I'm thawing the chicken right now. Luckily, it won't take long to cook because they're small. I got no dang butter. I'm gonna have him pick me up some butter. Why does it look like somebody keeps walking in front of my door? Tell y'all, I need to call the office too because they never fixed the bottom of her door. We have so much space at the bottom of her door. I'm just trying to be nosy for someone. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. That seasoned chicken tender, green bean in a pan, just bake it all in one. Only have to make one more side because Jasper don't like potatoes. Possibly shower. I got a load in the wash. One of my, it's blankets. Oh, it's not really a blanket. It's one of them mermaid tail things that you can put your body into. I've got that going in the wash with my bat blanket and then my robe. I miss my blue robe too. I haven't worn it in a while. It's been in the wash, dirty. So yeah, I'm just waiting on that so I can put it in the dryer. I am washing my bedding and I need to wash hers too. So I'm probably gonna throw her sheets in with my sheets because I'm almost out of soap. And I think I have to do Jasper's laundry because I'm pretty sure he told me he had no socks. Or no socks that he likes. He only has long socks, which he doesn't want to wear. I tell you what, I don't know why I bothered getting him those long socks a while ago because he don't like them and he don't want to wear them. So I'm just gonna have to buy him more socks. I'm just gonna get him white socks because he's always mixed matching them. So at least if they're white and mixed matched, it doesn't matter. But yeah, like, look at our new door. We have, like, I have to keep kicking up the heat because of all the cold air we're getting. Look at all this space under the door. I mean, you can hear the wind. You can see the sun. Then gonna be a lot of bugs come summer if they don't do something with this. Don't judge my floor. I gotta sweep and mop it later. But yeah, not much going on. Just waiting for him to get back and I should probably do something with this mess. Look at these dang toys. I need to do something with that. Well, I don't really know what else to talk about at the moment. Are you all having a very, very cold December also? I honestly feel like this has been the coldest December. Not even the snowiest, but the coldest. Like, I'm going to bed froze and I'm waking up froze. But Alright guys, I'm gonna get off here, edit this, and post it. And I'll see you on the next one. Maybe later on tonight. I don't know. I'm going to try really hard to post multiple times a day if I have something worth showing. But yeah. See you in the next one. Bye.